Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So, let's talk about a common problem that many developers face when working with animations in JavaScript. You see, there's this issue where you have an animation playing, but your event listener doesn't seem to fire. Frustrating, right? Well, not to worry. We're here to help you solve this problem once and for all. Now, onto the solution. The key here is to utilize the codeAnimation.finishedCode promise, which will allow you to perform an action once the animation is finished. By using codeAnimation.finished.then, code along with codeconsole.log, animation finished, code, and codeAnimation.play, code, you'll be able to ensure that your desired function gets executed after the animation completes. Don't forget to check the play state of the animation by using codeconsole.log, animation.playstate code. This approach will help you seamlessly handle the end of your animation and any associated events. Problem solved. In summary, we've addressed the issue of event listeners not firing during animations by leveraging the codeAnimation.finishedCode promise. By integrating this method into your code along with a few other key steps, you can effectively manage your animations and ensure that all necessary functions are executed at the right time. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!